Alright boys, hopefully the last cold start with this exhaust. Little sneak peek, what's to come. All right, boys, let's start this one off. So, as you can see, we got a little treat in the back. Ooh, as you can see the title and thumbnail of this video, obviously we're putting a Corsa Extreme on this bad boy. It's the black tip. So we got some other goodies, which is why I wanted to get the black tip specifically. This is one of the loudest exhausts you can get, like axle backs you can buy. So, it costed me about $1,000 for this bad boy. But super cool, like the buying experience. Like every time something was going on with this, as soon as I ordered it, Corsa was letting me know like, hey, we just started building your exhaust. Then they also said, hey, we're this far out from building your exhaust, you should be getting it this time. Just always giving updates and stuff. Super cool experience, definitely made me more excited to actually get this. But hopefully we can get this on today before we get to the car show tonight. And like, it'll be a little surprise for my friends. Because I haven't said that I bought this, and I haven't said when I'm actually putting it on. So hopefully we can just show up with this thing. Car looks basically completely stock, so seeing this and like hearing it is going to be definitely different. It's supposed to be super loud, so I'm super excited to get this on because my other one had Borla attacks and that shit was super loud. So we shall see how this is going to sound without the headers. Obviously we're going to be getting headers and probably a mid pipe after, but I wanted to just start with this so that we can start tracking the car a little bit during my leave right now, so we can have a little bit of fun with it, but nothing like too hard and crazy, so that the car's not down, because I want to be able to enjoy the car on my leave. So let's start getting this exhaust on. My cousin Bray is going to help me out. We're going to his house right now. He's got a lot of tools and a big ass garage, so he might be my cameraman. So see you there. Let's hope this thing gets on there and just fucking rips. Here's just a few little exhaust clips of like driving it, I guess, with the windows closed. This is the stock exhaust. So as you can hear, it's very quiet in here. And I'll get on it on the road so you can hear it, and I'll roll down the windows. All right, I'm about to make the turn, and then we're gonna get on it for a second so you can hear what it sounds like stock with the windows down. Here we go. As you can hear, nothing too crazy, super quiet. I mean, it's got a nice tone to it, but it's definitely really quiet. So let's wake that bitch up a little bit. I mean, let's wake that beast up a little bit. I can't say it on YouTube, forgot. Oh yeah, also, I don't know how the quality is gonna be on this. I forgot my camera at home, but I really want to like get this exhaust on, so I didn't want to not make a video because I needed to film. That's why I bought these things, to start filming and putting out more content. So hopefully this video doesn't look too bad, because this is all on my iPhone, so we'll see. Braden's gonna put the exhaust on himself. Right, Braden?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, you can go in the house.
All right, cool. All right, see you later. All right, here's the exhaust underneath. So there's the hanger there. The hanger there. And the clamp. And that's literally it. And it'll come right off.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
It looks like it's gonna come right off.
Fuck you, bitch.
Yo, I can't put that on YouTube.
Why?
Because you can't curse.
Shut the fuck up. You gotta take this hanger off.
I know, but... Oh, there it is. See you later. Damn, good thing Bray's a mechanic. All right, open headers.
Should I do it open headers?
Let's take the mid pipe off. All right, go ahead. Holy shit. Honestly, it doesn't sound that bad. That's kind of quiet. Give it like a little bit, not too much. Oh shit. Alright, shut it off. That sounds pretty good. Alright, let's open this up. Damn, this shit's back is pretty nice. Oh, this is on foam. Oh, we don't even need those clamps. We got brand new ones. We're good. Damn, dude, these are small. All right, let's show off those black tips now. Damn, those are nice. Look at that. Those are nice. All right, let's get these bad boys on. Now you can say you installed an exhaust. They look good though.
I hope those ain't those loud bores. That they suck.
The old guy doesn't like it. He don't like it. Alright. Oh, they sound pretty good. I just wish they were a little louder. They said this was the loudest exhaust I could get. Let's see how downshift sounds. Should I go straight down? I gotta stay in second. You ready?
Yeah. Go.
I don't think I'm able to do it. Alright boys, I'm sitting here at work finishing the editing to get this video rolled out, and I didn't see that I didn't finish an outro, so I'm about to finish this outro right here. So as you saw, we installed the Corsa blacktop exhaust. I was super excited to get this exhaust. I kept talking about getting it when I was deployed. I didn't really know what I wanted to get, and I ended up going with that one. I'm super happy that I did. Super happy with it. Only thing that I can complain about is that I need a mid-pipe. I need to get rid of those cats and put like high flow cats on there, and I need headers ASAP. But with the things going on in the channel, I think the car is going to be down for a little bit. Like, I'm not going to do too much with it. The winter's coming. I didn't get to do the racing like I wanted to. Just like money was a thing, and just like other things just kind of came up. So I guess I'm going to put that project on hold for a little bit. We're going to start rolling out the other projects. That should be the next video. You'll see like what we're actually getting into and some of the stuff that we picked up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, if you can give it a like, subscribe, comment, anything helps. And we are on that road to 1,000 subs. We will get there, I know it. So peace out, y'all. I hope you guys end up getting Corsa Extreme. Great exhaust. Seems like a great company. Yeah, that's all I really got to say right now. We need more parts. That's all I could say. So we need some sponsors. If anybody wants to get in on this and help me build my race car, that would be pretty dope. So peace out, y'all. I appreciate the support. And like I said, like, subscribe, comment. We are on the road to 1,000 subs. And there's going to be a lot more content coming along the way. I have a big project coming for the winter. And I hope you guys stay tuned for that. Peace out.